Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change a credit card on Zelle. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Zelle account, which of course I've done right here. Now, let's know what Zelle is about. Zelle is a great way to send money to friends and family, even if they bank somewhere different than you do. That means it's super easy to get paid back or split the cost of things like dinner. With Zelle, the money goes directly into your bank account, and when money goes into your bank account directly, you can live delightfully. Zelle is already in lots of banking apps, so look for it in yours today. So let's say you have created an account on Zelle and you want to change your credit card in Zelle. Here are the steps that you can take. Now, I'd like you to know that Zelle requires a US bank account accepted by its network. You cannot use credit cards, international debit cards, and deposit accounts. So you cannot use credit cards in Zelle, meaning you cannot change a credit card on Zelle. But if you need to use a different debit card, follow these steps. Number one, open the Zelle app, then tap on the gear icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Once you do that, click on account. Once you tap on account, the next thing that you need to tap on is switch account. So click on the switch account. Unlink your current card and bank account. Afterwards, add a new account and its card. That's it. It's very simple. So open the Zelle app, tap on the gear icon top in the upper left corner, the top left corner of your screen. Tap on account, tap on switch accounts. You'll be prompted to unlink your account. So unlink your current card and bank account. Of course, when you're unlinking your bank account, when you're adding the bank account, you automatically have to add card details. So unlink your current card and bank account, and afterward, add a new account in its card, which will be your debit card. So know that these instructions only apply to the Zelle app. Nowadays, many bank and credit unions use Zelle to facilitate client transactions. So if you want to change your Zelle card and accounts with these institutions, that's the external bank institutions, request assistance from the customer support and they will guide you through the different processes. So it means if you want to do this, then use the Zelle mobile app and just follow through these processes. Clap and tap on the gear icon, account, switch account, or link, and add a new one. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.